You're talking like you think you're royalty. You think that I'm afraid, but I don't break. I heard you question my stability. You think I'll fall just like a guillotine, but I am here to stay, won't look away. The storm is coming, so you better start running. No, you can't control, feel it in my bones. I'm coming for the, coming for the. Coming for the throne.
There, Hot Wheels fans, it's your boy DC. Yes, so today, before we begin with the Hot Wheels, I just have something to say. I'm bringing back the normal Hot Wheels series, guys. So I'm actually putting up a survey on top. It'll be popping up right now. So in that, you can comment whether you want the Hot Wheels series or you want both the Hot Wheels or the Hot Wheels series. So that's left to you guys. Comment your opinion, and let's move on to today's card. This is And now, let's get on with today's car, guys. Yes, it's got 5 out of 10 in Rod Squad, and not the same with the Hot Wheels fame. This is the 49 Ford F1, the 1949 Ford F1, guys. A pretty cool classic truck. I mean, in the picture it looks pretty nice, but here it really misses a lot of details and doesn't look so good. But the rear exhaust is pretty nice, guys. I mean, you can't see it, but still, it's got Ford logo right there. It's so cool. So yeah, you haven't got much of the back, so can't say anything. Why don't we just go for the unboxing right away? Let's go. Yes, first look of the 49 Ford, guys. So yeah, it has a lot of details, only on the door sides, guys. Not much of the front, like you have no logo too, but at the back you have the Ford logo right here. Yeah, there it is. And there's no rear window. I mean, there's no rear windscreen, only at the front and the sides. The bed is pretty okay-ish. I mean, in terms of Hot Wheels, not so very impressive, but yes, the exhaust looks nice, kinda. And this is how it looks at the bottom, guys. So yeah, why don't we just go for the information? There's nothing much in the interiors too. Somewhat kinda okay-ish, not so well detailed. And yeah, it's written Hot Rods and Customs, Southern California. That's cool, right? That's really nice detail. So yeah, rather than that, there's nothing much to talk about in this pickup. So let's just go for the info of the 49 Ford F1. Here it comes, guys. Right, guys, now talking about the F series of the Ford F1, guys. So moving on to the engine. The engine is a 239 cubic inch flathead V8, guys. And moving on to the horsepower it produces up to 100 horsepower, and the top speed is not exact, but it's somewhere between 60 to 75 miles per hour. Not very impressive, but I guess it could do better. So yeah, guys, that's the short info. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. I'll see you all next week with the new car. Stay tuned till then. Bye bye. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe.